Okay, what we have here is we have the staple style shifter used in this is a Camaro version, and over here we have it hooked up to a 700R4 transmission. We know it's a 700R4 because it says so with magic marker. Okay, so we have it hooked up, and we have the new Thompson shift gate detent, which can be used for like a ratchet shifter for positive shifting. It also comes with a Turbo 350 and 400, and we'll do that in a second video. But in any event, I'm going to show you how it works. I know it's going to be a little bit hard to see, but I hope to get the idea across to you. First of all, when you set this shifter up, so what you do is you put it in overdrive. It locks in overdrive, the shift gate, and so that's where you want to make your adjustment. So when you hook your cable up at the tranny, right there it is. You can see the lever points pretty much straight down. In the measurement, we always like to get with these 68 to 72 shifters with our cable, we always want to be about 5.5 inches from this pin to the face of this bracket, and you can see we're dead nuts, so that's good. So we're 5.5 inches. That's the middle of the cable's travel, and the nice thing is it's straight. The pin is straight down right in the middle, so the arc is going to be even forward and backwards. Okay, back to the shifter. So with the shifter, I will we'll put it in. It goes into park, nice, locks in park. Got reverse, neutral. When it goes into overdrive, the handle locks into overdrive. You can't get it out of overdrive. We're going to go all the way back into low 1. So in your low 1, all you do is you just push forward. Bang, second gear, stops for you. Now you lift up for third gear, you're going to lift the handle up. Again, push forward, stops. Let go, it's going to drop down, and you push forward, you got fourth. Very positive, no problems. So again, back into low. We're going to second, third, fourth. Pretty cool.